This video answers the query how to buy shares of Equity Residential and shows the basic steps for this NASDAQ-listed REIT, ticker EQR, which owns and operates apartment properties. This is educational information and not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy EQR. Here I use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search to type the ticker EQR and locate the Equity Residential listing. Make sure you select the correct NASDAQ-listed stock from the search results. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is Equity Residential. Check the ticker EQR and the NASDAQ listing to ensure it matches. To buy, choose Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After the trade executes, the position will appear in your portfolio. For the example platform link and more details, check the description below.